Okay, so today I'm replacing the entire self-propel system on this 2005 Toro recycler. As you can see, it's already removed. And there's a bunch of the parts of it. And here's the box and parts tree. Here's the sales roll. So we're replacing the engine brake cable, the control handle, the transmission cable, the cutout in the front cover, the decal, the shield, the carburetor gasket, and the drive belt. And total cost is $120. So package is something else. Alright, we have parts. Do a little comparing and contrasting. Broken. Not broken. And transmission cable failing. Oops. Right at that little split end. The engine brake is catastrophically failing. Drive belt. Actually, it doesn't look too bad, but placing that anyway. And this mud flap. As you can see, that one's totally ruined, so placing that. And there's this little cover that goes here that's been missing for years, so we're replacing that. I'll keep you updated.